Hey there. I've got something special today. It's this best 2Pcs 300W turbo. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it feels solid and premium. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone.